What are we doing today, Lily?
I'm playing a Moana box.
We're going to show off all your Moana toys.
Yeah.
And can you stand up and show us your pretty Moana dress? Very pretty.
Let's open this one first.
So we got some Funkos here. Let's see the first one. This is Maui. So we should see who.
I want her.
Lily would like to get this Moana eventually here. Okay, let's see the front. Can you show Mom the front of the box? And this is Maui in his box. And we are gonna take him out of his box and we will see what he looks like.
Maui. What about this top?
That's Maui.
Let me open this one first.
Then we have Moana on the ocean with Kakamora. Can we see the back? These are the characters, same as the other one that we can get.
I want her.
Baby Moana.
I want her.
Voyager Moana.
Yeah.
Okay, let's open it up and see.
I need help, kid.
Okay, take it out. Moana. The Kakamora.
I don't know how to open it. Look.
Is that the Kakamora?
Yeah.
Can you stand him up? That's our Kakamora. This is Moana on the ocean. Kakamora. And our Maui Funko. And over here, what do we have over here, Lily? This is Lily's Moana doll. She's got the heart Tafiti on, same dress as Lily. And pretty little clips that she comes with that can be used in Lily's hair too. Lily's got her pretty one. This is Lily and Moana dressed as the same. Very pretty, hey?
Hi, everybody. I said take my Moana down. Woo! Love you. Bye.
Okay, what's our first toy? Is we got out of little blind boxes. Who is that, Lily?
When Mama says
Do you want to put her down beside the Kakamora? So show the kids. There's the grandma. She's pretty cool. And who's next?
Moana.
We have baby Moana. With a pink flower in her hair. Now Lily. We have Pew, the little piggy.
And then little Kakamora.
We have one more Kakamora. He's got a starfish on his head.
Yeah.
And we have one more. We have another Kakamora. This guy's got a cool crab head. And this is Lily's Moana collection. And so this is all our guys. And our Moana doll. And your favorites, all of them. If you had to pick just one as your favorite, who would it be?
Baby Moana.
Baby Moana is your favorite? Let us know who your favorite is in the comments down below. And thanks for watching. If you like those Moanas.